Right, it says, right, I'm not going to say what the name of it is, but it says the product is a dish found in China. It is mostly sold in outdoor food vendors and street snacks stalls. Most Chinese restaurants would not dare to serve this on their menu. As the name suggests, that there, I'm telling you what it is. This dish has a strong, pungent smell similar to rotten garbage or smelly feet. That's what
She's going to be running down with soup.
That's what it says. I've seen a couple of YouTubers do it, but there's only about, I could only see about 6 or 7 on YouTube that have done it, so I don't know whether it's bad, as they say, or whether it's not. So,
oh, that's all right, no, don't worry about it.
So go and open your box. Open it here behind so they can see. I haven't even seen it myself. Can't wait for it.
No more paper. It must be smelly because it's wrapped up 3 times.
It must be smelly because it's wrapped up 3. I've done that. I've done that fish. What?
Just had a whiff of something.
You just had a whiff of something. I'm just not buzzed. Ooh. What's that going to be eating today? I'm just a cameraman today.
Yeah, oh yeah. You reckon, mate? That's what you reckon. It's still wrapped up, so I've got to unwrap it.
Oh, nice little present.
Yeah, nice little present.
Nice little present.
I think I keep getting a whiff of something, but it smells like poo. Oh, that stinks like poo.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
I can't smell anything yet.
You can't smell nothing.
No.
Have a whiff, mate.
No, you open it. I want you to react. Oh, I can smell it now. It isn't even opened yet. Oh my
mate,
God.
it stinks.
It hasn't even been opened, Daddy.
My hand's weak. I'm
Here
betting what
comes.
this is.
Stay away from the mic.
Oh yeah,
Pete.
sorry.
You don't know what it is. Catherine already.
Oh mate, I can't. It looks like putrid. Oh, keep that stinks. What is it? What is it? What is it? Because it only says it in Chinese. What is it? What is it? Keith, what is it?
Stinky tofu.
Tofu. Cheese.
No, tofu, whatever that is. But it's stinky tofu. It's been fermented for 3 months, I think.
Smells like crap.
Oh.
It's minging. It stinks. Looks like someone's puked up in the bowl. Oh, Keith, that's rank.
It's not even open.
Oh, my hands stink. Oh, you're vile. I ain't your friend now. I ain't talking to you.
Oh,
Open
that
it.
stinks of feet.
Let's ready.
Not yet.
Can I toast?
Oh.
Stinky cheese.
Oh.
Open it outside.
Oh.
It doesn't want me to because of the dog.
Oh.
We've had to barricade it in the other room.
No. Oh, go on.
Now open it. Did you hear that there?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, Keith, that's nasty. I can't eat that.
No.
Have you finished?
No.
That stinks. I've got it all on my hands.
Oh, God.
And you're minging. It smells like literally. It smells like licorice. You're disgusting. Oh, that's Keith.
No. Oh, my God. Oh.
You're vile.
You're washing your hands, you've got to eat it.
I ain't eating that.
You are eating
I
it.
ain't eating that.
You are.
I ain't.
You are.
I ain't eating that.
Don't do
I'll
it.
throw up. Go Oh, Stinky.
Oh, I might have to get a stick pole. That reeks. Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's disgusting. That's nasty. You're horrible. How the hell can we eat that? Oh, the smell.
Oh, can I just put it by you for a minute?
No. Oh man, that stinks. You gotta get it on a plate.
Oh.
Do people really eat that?
Oh. How are we going to eat that? How are we going to eat that? You can't shout at me later when the kitchen stinks.
Oh my, it smells horrible.
I'll try it. You could...
I've got a headache, it smells that bad. It smells like poo. Keith, I haven't even got the lid off yet. I can't. Oh, don't.
Honestly.
Oh, don't. It hissed all over me. I nearly said piss.
It really.
It hissed all over me, so I had to go and wash my hands. It smells like poo.
What is it? It's stinky tofu.
It feels sick.
Right, here we go.
Oh, Keith.
Smell.
I can smell it. I've got it all over my hands. Oh no.
Oh, you're not going to be able to... Let me stick this camera on.
Oh, Keith, can't eat that.
Yeah, we've got to eat it.
Oh, no,
The whole jar.
I ain't eating the whole jar. I ain't talking to you for the rest of the year.
Come on, you've got to sniff. Shall we get a straw and suck some out?
I ain't sucking. Sucking none of that.
Oh, I feel sick.
I feel literally
I've got gagging reflux here.
My stomach's just tired.
Well, I've got to get some old plates or something. That's what I said, old plates. So I can throw them away or something. You want to do stinky food challenges back?
Yeah, but not like this. You know what? Mine might sort of smell better. Mine does sort of smell better now.
No.
Shove the full jar.
Take you, get your man. Don't be shy. Oh, you better get some thingy. Well, I better get prepared first before we do this.
Oh, I can't. Does that literally throw up? Seriously. It looks like you drain. It looks like you get it out of the drain. Oh no. Oh man, it stinks. The dog's going wampy.
Oh, I'm gagging. I can't feel it. Absolutely.
Cheese. Is it cheese?
Tofu. Whatever that is.
What tofu is.
I don't know.
What's tofu?
That really stinks, doesn't it?
Have you showed them in the jar?
Yeah.
Put your other camera on.
I feel terrible.
I can't eat that.
Yeah, you can. You'll be alright. You'll be alright, Bab. See if I can get you a close look. There he is, look, guys. Doesn't it look nice? Look at all that mould on top, look. Oh my God. Let's do some more disgusting food.
Yeah, but you just go to the top. When I say disgusting food, it don't mean that stuff. That's just rancid. Oh my God.
Let's crack on.
I'd rather eat Marmite than that.
Come on. Let's get one out and see.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't eat that.
Open. Come on, you've got to try. Luckily, Nat bought some the other day. Alright, for her channel.
I don't think that's even going to get rid of the smell. Oh, man. Put some on a plate. Let's have a look what it looks
Looks like Stilton hot. It doesn't smell like it. Oh my God.
You need to drain the water.
No, you got to eat it. You got to drink that with a straw.
I ain't drinking that. Do one, mate. Seriously. Oh my God. I feel sick.
You should have got a bowl.
I'm doing it on the computer, mate, as well. Don't consume the water. See, you're only supposed to eat the fish, the cheese. You're not supposed to drink the water. Someone's just said on there. It looks like sick, it does, don't it? It looks like
It's got salt in there, look.
What's that rattling at the bottom?
Salt? That is going to be nice with the salt.
Oh, look around the edge. It looks like a drain.
It does, doesn't it? It absolutely.
Something out the drain.
I'm starting to get used to the smell now. To be honest, I am starting to get used to the smell. It's that first potent bit, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to take it off the mat.
Can you not put it right underneath my nose? You've got to have some smell as well. Oh, man.
Come on, we've got to crack on. Put it there as you can see.
Mate. You take
No, because you said you was going to go first.
No, I never. No, I didn't. Don't lie. I never said anything about going first. You go first.
I went first last time.
No, I ain't bothered.
Oh, come on. She did say she'd go first. She did.
Didn't.
My stomach's churning. Right, here we go. Right, have I got room to get to that bin? You have to bring in a bit, because I know you might need to shoot across there.
I think it's full.
I've emptied it. Here we go. What is it? It's stinky tofu, and it stinks. It's going to be sick. The texture makes it 1,000 times worse. Oh no. Right. Here we go then. Goes great with kippers. Should we go together?
No.
He's
gonna throw up. He's gonna. It's the look of it, Keith.
No! Oh my God!
Okay.
No, the worst thing I've done to my life!
It smells even for now. Drink of water.
Yeah. Oh. No.
Oh man, that stinks.
Oh. Oh. No. Oh. 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 That is worse than that fish. That, honest to God, that's worse.
Oh, it smells disgusting.
I prefer to keep my head in the bin. I really prefer to keep my head in the bin. Oh.
Just gargle some water around your mouth.
Oh.
Oh, I can't do it.
You gotta do it.
Nothing.
You gotta do it. Come on, I'm not gonna laugh at you.
Can't do it.
Go on, Nat. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. No.
I can't do it.
You've got to do it.
I can't.
No,
do
you
it.
need a full piece.
No, I'm not taking a full piece. You can do one, mate. I'm trying a little bit.
Come on. I did, didn't I? I just went like that.
Well, that's
And
you.
then that.
Well, that's you. That ain't me. That's you, mate.
Go on, lass. Save yourself.
For God's sake.
See, I told you to go first because now you know what to expect now, you see. If you'd have went first, you might go, oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah, I'm really going to say, that's nice. I'll have it for tea, love.
What about with you? Stop people buying it.
What? Is it it's fermented, is it?
Yes, it's been fermented for, I think it's 3 months or something.
Lovely.
Probably longer. Depending how long it's been out. It's probably on the shelf in the Chinese shop for God knows how long.
I feel really sick.
I've got a headache. Go on, you ready? Go on. You'll be like, what the F's going on?
I can't. It's just... Oh no.
That's what I said. You should have went first.
No, I don't want to go first neither. I don't want to go at all.
I've done mine. We've got to drink it, yeah, out of the straw.
You can have that. I ain't drinking that, mate. Oh, it's so salty.
It's...
Right.
As soon as I... Just put it in your gob. Go on. Get it in there, girl. Post it through the neighbour's letterbox. Go on. Go on. People are waiting. Close and pull. 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 You ain't got it out your gob. Come on, if you're challenging Lou to do it, you've got to do it, ain't you? You haven't even had nothing. It's still on your fork. I put all mine in. Go on. You're making it worse. It's absolutely shaking, bless her.
Oh, you bastard, man. You're evil.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, that is so funny.
You're evil.
Yeah.
I hate you. That's right, yeah.
It's disgusting, isn't it? Language. Oh, I'm sweating. I'm absolutely sweating.
Give me some of your water, please. Oh, the house just gets worse.
It's horrible. I've got to get rid of it. I hate you. I've got to help me.
You are a bastard.
Do apologise about that. You know, there's nothing we can do on this one. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You're evil. You're horrible.
Oh.
Oh, the taste is rancid.
Anyway, guys, I'm glad you all enjoyed it. Great laugh, weren't it?
I'm going to go and
Show your friends this and give them a laugh. If anyone's feeling down, show them it and have a laugh at us. And
I still feel sick.
thank you all for watching.
Oh,
And we'll still feel sick.
I still feel sick.
Are you going to give me a clip round here when we go off air?
Yeah.
See
Black eyes and everything. You see him next.
you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.